We are out here at Mount Baldy. We are going hiking.
We are doing the full Baldy trail along the Devil's Backbone, up to the summit, down the bowl, all the way up there. And if we don't, I guess we don't, but that's not very exciting.
It's for expert hikers. I'm still a beginner, so.
Intermediate.
He thinks I'm an intermediate, but I'm not. I'm gonna die, so.
I've been here before.
If I don't make it at the end of this vlog, then Ian will let you know.
I've been up the fire road, up to the ski lift. We started too late that day, so we had to go back down. My goal today is to finish the whole thing. I've been waiting years to do this, so I'm gonna be pretty upset if I don't get to finish it, because
just go without me. If I die, just continue without me. And then pick me up on your way back down.
Let's roll you down.
Yeah, I'm dead anyway.
Bubble wrap you.
I'm dead anyway.
Ski lodge is up there. You can see the little house thing. We're getting closer. How are you feeling so far?
Tired, but I'm pushing myself. I think you should decide when I can take my break.
Then we're never gonna take a break. That's where we're headed. Ooh, block the shot. We're headed all the way up there to hike that whole edge. That's why it's called Mount Baldy right there, because it's bald. Did you know that?
No, I did not know that.
And it's actually not Mount Baldy, it's Mount San Antonio. Did you know that?
I knew that because I looked it up yesterday.
We're almost there, guys. That's our first destination. Let's hope it keeps going well. Just got to switch back really quick right here, and we'll be to the exciting part. So, wish her luck.
I'm dying.
It's nice that we've only ran into a couple people.
Oh yeah, just 2 people so far and a dog.
All right, well, I'm gonna keep going and hopefully get to this lodge soon. Catch you at the waypoint. Look, we made it. So this is where I turned around last time. We're at the lodge thing, restaurant place. So I'm gonna be having to climb up that right there. Makes it look a whole lot smaller in the video.
Yeah.
I get what Flair's saying when he always says it makes it look real flat. We're climbing up there. We got to go all the way around that. Does that look tall at least? We got to get up there. I don't know. But yeah, we're taking a little break here. She wanted to take a break. Ate some dried mangoes. Some, what are they called? Some kind of date. Dried date.
Bejeweled?
Med jewel dates. If you guys haven't tried those, try the dried med jewel
dates.
But yeah, like I said, this is where I turned around before, so I knew how to get up here. Hopefully we can figure out the rest of the way. Supposedly this is where it's supposed to be starting to get hard. What we just walked up right now is basically just the fire road. So it's just basically a road up here. But yeah, now we're gonna be doing some real trails. So hopefully we find our way. Hopefully we don't get lost. Hopefully we don't get stuck and have to turn around. But yeah, that's where we are right now.
Hopefully you don't come across a wild cat. I would love to, but hopefully you don't.
Yeah, I told her I want to see a bear in real life, but not a real cat, not a wild cat. That's not good. So yeah, hopefully no wild cats, and I guess we'll continue on with the video once we start going up there, but we're gonna take a little break for now.
I'm dying, guys. It's so steep and so freaking rocky. Oh, my chicken legs can't do it. So I'm all the way down here. And he's all the way up there. It's so pretty. All right, I'm coming.
Alright guys, so we can confirm that it is definitely harder. She's been walking.
I told you.
But yeah, but as much as it's getting higher in difficulty, it's also getting higher in, what's the word?
Elevation.
Well, that too. But satisfaction.
Oh.
Because look at this. We're way up here now. I don't know if the camera can really give the perspective of being up here, but we're pretty freaking high.
Yeah.
But holy, what are those?
What are those?
I think those are deer. Guys, we just stumbled upon some rams. Yeah, I've never seen a ram in the wild like this. Those are definitely rams, though. Those are not deer. We saw a coyote earlier thinking it was a deer, but it was a coyote, and now we see these rams. Those are babies too, though.
Yeah.
You can tell they don't look really developed. Are those dangerous to go by? They're gonna ram you.
Hold my stick, please.
What if the mother's protective?
Where's the mother?
I don't know.
If she's protective, she should be with her kids, right?
That's true. Alright guys, I think we're gonna try to keep walking and see if we can see them up close anymore. Well, yeah, those are definitely rams. They were not deer. They were nice. They didn't bug us. We tried not to bug them, but they were very beautiful. We tried to get some footage of them. Now, I just told her that kind of made the trip for me, just because I've never seen a ram. I don't think she's ever seen a ram.
No.
But yeah. If those aren't ram, correct me, but that's my best guess.
Yeah, because
Their horns go back.
Yeah.
Their eyes look like ram eyes. So,
You
that was very
what ram
cool.
eyes look like?
Bulgy.
Oh.
Deer don't have bulgy eyes.
Oh.
So, that's my best guess. I'm no expert. I'm no Flare Daddy. Shout out to Flare Daddy. Beefcake.
Congrats, Blair, on your baby.
Congrats on the baby, Flare.
And Macy.
By the time we post this, it might be out already. But yeah, we're gonna keep going on. It looks like it's getting pretty intense right here. But yeah, I'm having a good time.
Pray for my chicken legs.
Pray for her legs. But yeah, it's definitely a lot more exciting once you pass the fire road. I'm glad came back to finish it. But yeah, catch you in a little while. Well,
hi guys.
we're almost done with the Devil's Backbone. Summit is in sight. Peak in sight. Summit in sight. I don't know. I'm excited though. We're almost there. It's early in the day, so we're doing good.
I'm so proud
Of me?
of you for pushing me and for doing this with all of your health conditions. And
You make it seem like I have some
no, it's not like
terminal
that.
illness.
It's not like that. Anyway, I'm proud of myself. Even though I had to stop a couple times, well, not even a couple, but
Every
like
time I look
stopped
back, you stop.
to catch my breath.
Well, we're almost there, guys. I know the trees are kind of covering it, but that's the whole bowl face right there, and then that's going to be the top. Oop. Yeah, there's a little bit of snow up there. But yeah, we just got to curve around right here and then summit it. I think we're going to be able to do it. Yee yee!
Yee!
All right, guys. Keep on keeping on.
No, like what Mav
Keep on.
says. Just keep on trekking.
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 Wow. All right. There it is, guys. There it is.
We're so close.
We're so close.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
Stealing my
Good thing.
words.
We literally just got to go up that, around the edge and down, and we'll be back to the car down there. Yeah, it's going well. I recommend this to intermediate hikers.
I'm still a beginner, but we'll see after this.
Yeah, it's going well. Probably take a few more breaks along the way for her.
Yeah.
But,
I would like to take a little break when we get up there
Up to the
drink
top,
my Red
yeah.
Bull.
our Red
Our
Bull.
Red Bull, I'm sorry.
Red Bull sponsored.
Yeah.
But yeah, I just wanted to show it because it's pretty crazy actually seeing it. I was getting nervous. We weren't actually going to be able to do it. But we're definitely going to get there. Whether I fall down that hill or not.
I pushed myself. He kept telling me, like, do we need to go back? Do we need to go back? And I'm like,
No.
no.
Yeah, I'm going to keep going and probably check back in at the top. Alright guys, that's the pole of success.
Hi, we're almost there.
I tried to tell her this is the final walk to success, but she's still That's pretty exciting though.
Yeah, you made it.
We're really high up right now.
Yeah.
You
That's
can
crazy.
see all around. You could see the Victorville in that area over there. And then you see the LA area that way. And actually San Bernardino too over there. You could see everywhere from here. You could even see Palmdale from here.
Oh.
Palmdale.
Palmdale.
Pound. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna record this walk of success and celebrate.
We're gonna celebrate. We're gonna open our peach Red Bull.
Keep me in the cloud, light it up, high up. Keep me in the cloud, light it up, high up. Keep me in the cloud, light it up.
How's it going?
Pretty good. We are going down now.
Very down.
Along Baldy. It's steep. It's rocky. It's nuts, guys.
It's a little scary.
Yeah, this is scarier than going up Mount Baldy. Coming down Mount Baldy, like, even with my freaking stick, my little trekking stick that Ian found me, like, it's still tough.
Oh yeah. So We're gonna continue on.
Yeah.
We'll talk about the summit later.
Yeah, we're gonna finish and then we're gonna head to the car and we'll catch you at the car. Okay. We stopped because we came across this cute little stream.
This is what turns into the waterfall, I believe.
Oh, tell them that.
This is what turns into the waterfall at the bottom.
And we just passed this guy who said that this water is like the best
To drink.
to drink. Yeah, it's like straight from the source. Oh my goodness. And it goes down there. Alright.
It's a rough hike down.
Yeah. There's so many rocks, you guys. Like so many
It's
rocks
very
on
steep.
the bottom, and yeah, it's steep.
Oh yeah.
My
My
sh-
body's definitely feeling tired.
So is
I
mine.
was good up and like even a little past the summit, but this is really the ski hut part after the summit. If you're doing it counterclockwise, whew.
This is insane.
I also got blisters on my feet now from walking down, so that's kind of it kind of sucks too. But it's still pretty. We're getting there. It's getting flatter now. Closer and closer. And then we get to go eat barbecue.
So we'll see.
Unless they're closed.
They better not be closed. We'll see you guys at the bottom in the car.